and welcome to Arogya Vidya, your guide to feel, heal, and nourish. A lot of people are afraid to get vaccinated due to the fear of side effects. I hope listening to my experience lessens the fear. On 29th June, I got my first dose of Covishield vaccine. The injection hurt less than a mosquito bite. The whole morning was fine. I had no reaction of any sort. Around evening, however, I got mild fever which increased during the night. By morning, the fever was gone on its own. I did not have to take the fever tablet that was given at the vaccination center. I did not get back the fever, but the rest of the day I felt tired and sleepy. The next 2 days, there was pain around the injection spot, that is, in my left hand around the shoulder joint. It was kind of a heavy pricking pain, like you are carrying something heavy. After this pain subsided, I just felt kind of a discomfort around my left shoulder and collarbone. It was something like a muscle soreness or a muscle pull that you get after exercising a lot. The discomfort was on and off, dominant mainly at night. This lasted for around 4 to 5 days. Now I am entirely fine. No pain, no fever, no soreness. Basically, it was just 1 week of mild discomfort in total. I did not take any fever tablet or painkiller, but I do recommend having balanced meal during this whole time to help with the recovery. The symptoms may vary from person to person. Some people I know had fever lasting for about 2 days, loose motions, vomiting sensation and such, but all of them recovered without much discomfort. So friends, do get your vaccines without fear as soon as possible. Getting the slot itself may take time. I got my slot only in the 4th try. Remember to wear your mask and follow social distancing when you are at the vaccination center. Also, remember to have some food before you go. You need all the nutrition and energy. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If so, then please like and share this video with your loved ones so they can benefit too. Stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.